Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm unboxing the Fall FabFitFun box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a not monthly but seasonally curated box with family, home, fitness, self-care, all kinds of different things. It's not just one category, which I love, and you can go on and customize your box, which I also love. And the value, obviously, with all subscription boxes, it's the value that you're getting is way more than what you're paying. And I have a code that is down below that will give you an even bigger discount. But I also have noted here how much each thing was, so I'll show you the value of my personalized box just to give you an idea. But let's start opening. So I have gotten this box, I think, for a year now. This might be my fourth box or fifth, I don't know. But I really enjoy the things. And like, for instance, I got a couple of glasses in my summer box, and we've used them all summer long, and everyone comments on them when they come over. This is hard to get out, so I'm gonna have to dump it. There's a box inside a box. Oh, it's a pretty color. Here's what the box looks like this season. Fall FabFitFun. Okay. Oh, but anyways, the glasses, like, some of the pieces that we get in these boxes just become some of our favorite things. And so it just makes shopping really easy for each season. I love making an excuse to shop just because a season is changing. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. I hope you can see. And I'm just going to take everything out and show you. So the first thing is Bloom pads. These are, I think, like pimple patches. Let's see. Power patches for acne-prone skin made with salicylic acid and hydrocolloid. So these are little patches, and it actually came just in time. I'm starting to like break out on my chin area. I think it's just from a hormone imbalance, but oh, they're not just clear little patches like I thought they would be. They're all the same. So here's what the patches look like. I'm assuming you just like put them on overnight, and then it kind of shrinks and minimizes and starts the healing process of little blemishes. So I'm excited to try this. It looked like a pretty clean brand. And I see these all the time, not this specific one, but like patches, and people seem to love them. There was something else. Oh, you can also put these on bug bites. So I thought, might as well try them out so we can use them, or because we can use them in so many different ways. I got another belt bag. This is Obey is the brand. Oh, and the price on the Bloom pads were $30, and then this is $40. So we're at $70 already, and I've only opened 2 things. This looks really nice, and it's a green, like a hunter green color. I got this one just because I tend to wear more of this color in the fall, and I have a black one that I wear every day, and I just wanted to change it up. It looks almost exactly like the one I have. Little clip, and then it also has this front pocket actually, so it is different than the one I have, but similar to the Lulu bags that everyone has. But this style specifically is just so much nicer because when you have it on, you're not like digging. Like, I have one that opens only right on the side, and it's like an awkward, you have to flip it up, but this one you can just slip down, and I find this like style the best. Obey. This is really cute. Oh, and this little tag says free month of classes. So I'm assuming they have like workout app or classes online. That's really cool. So I love looking at online, especially during the fall and winter, if it's a snow day or something. Okay, next, Spice Jars set of 2. This one is $25, it says. So let's see if I can open this. Oh, these are really cute. So you could use these for any kind of decoration. They don't have to be for salt and pepper. Oops. But it says dishwasher safe, made in China. I probably wouldn't put it in the dishwasher though. Oh, the inside is like a glazed ceramic. Oh, I love the texture of this though. These are super cute. Let me open the other one. I think they're identical. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. Those were, yeah, $25. The brand is Citrine. And all of this, you get like access to their website and discounts and on all of this stuff too. So it's just like a really cool shopping platform as well as the, oh, stop. These were This is a salt and pepper shaker set. These were spice jars. Okay, I think I said these were salt and pepper. So this was the spice jar. This is a salt and pepper set. And the salt and pepper, these were $25, and the set of these two is $30. So I had that messed up. Forgot I got both. And then this, oh yeah. Oh, these are cute. This is a greenish color. These are cute. The brand on these is Darling Spring Salt and Pepper Shaker. I don't know if you can see, but the holes on top make an S and a P. It's kind of hard to hold them up. And then they're just opposite colors. Oh, these are really cute. I love this color green. Okay, next, color changing blush oil. Oh, I forgot I got this. I looked into this brand, BYO, what is the brand? Youthforia. I don't know what is the brand. For Youth. And it seems like a pretty clean brand. So it works with your skin and turns a color depending on your, like, I don't know, pH, temperature, I'm not sure how it works. Reacts to your skin's unique chemistry for a soft glow. Dab 2 dots on each cheek and blend with the brush. I'll put some on the back of my hand because I can't see my cheek. Okay, so it is, yeah, like clear and greenish. And then it just reacts with your skin. Oh my goodness, that is so bizarre. I've seen a couple of products like this. I think Clinique has had one since the 80s. It's their like black honey. I think that's what it's called, but it's kind of like the same thing. It reacts with your skin. Okay. Oh, and the price on that was, it's Youthforia BYO blush is $36. Okay, I saved the best for last. I'm excited about these. This is Our Place wine glasses, and the price is $50. These are tinted wine glasses. We have a new bar area in our basement in this house, and I've been decorating it with cute glasses, and I'm very excited to put these down there. I think they're blue. Can't remember what color. Oh no, they're not blue. Are they pink? Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Rose-colored glasses. And on the bottom says Our Place. This is just a really... It's popular on Instagram right now, but they make clean, non-toxic pans, but they also have other things now. This is the other one. I think it's the exact same. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. All right, just to recap, I got these spice jars, a set of 2. This blush that turns color depending on your skin. $36. These Bloom breakout patches, the salt and pepper shakers. Really cute. This belt bag, and then the set of 2 wine glasses. So the grand total for my personalized box this season is $216. When you click on my link, it's going to give you the box when you subscribe for $47.99, which is a really good deal, especially since just these are $50. So it's like you're buying these and getting everything else for free, and everything else is so nice. I'm really excited. Let me know if you are a subscriber. Are you excited this fall? Fall and winter are my favorite time to get these boxes. I liked our summer box too, but I just feel like it's a warm and cozy, more homey box when you get it in fall. The link to shop and subscribe will be down below. Make sure you check them out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye. I feel like I just want to use this as lip gloss. Is that allowed? These are so cute. Little flower pimple patches. I need to use one of these right now. But these are so cute. I'm gonna go have a glass of wine.